Hi YouTubers, today I'm going to be reviewing the app ShopSavvy. I really enjoy this app. This only works on the iPhone and the latest generation of iPod Touch because you do need the camera. So what you can do on this app is you can scan different products, you can scan the barcodes, and it'll tell you information like the prices at various online stores and local stores. It'll give you the numbers and addresses of local stores, and it'll give you the link to the online stores. So it's just a really easy way to compare prices and to find the best spot to buy the item. So I'm just going to demonstrate it real quick. I have a notebook with the barcode. So I'm just going to hit scan and move my camera right over the barcode. Oh, and it just crashed. That is one problem I do have with this app, is it will crash once in a while. Alright, so back, and we're going to scan the item this time. And sometimes you got to move it around a little bit. Some items are a lot easier to scan than others. There we go. Okay, so I found it at one online store. See, there's a picture of the notebook right there. I found it at one online store and no local stores. So let's go check out what online store it is. Okay, I found it on Martel Christian and Education, and it found it for $2.49. So then I can either click the option of browsing the website, and then from there I can go on and purchase it, or I can share this with a friend. And then this app, it also keeps your history of scanning. So here is all the things I've scanned. So that's useful if you ever need to go back and look at something you've scanned. You can also make lists on this. Like you can make a grocery list, you can make a list of just like a birthday wish list, and all you have to do is scan or search for the item, and then you can add it to your list. There's also a tab that's called Deals, and it'll just show you the latest deals. Like there's a Walmart user gen contest. You can win an iPad. You can have free shipping at Gap on an order of $50 or more. Stuff like that. And then you can just go ahead and click on those if you want, and it'll give you more details. So that is this app. It's very great. It's free, which is the best part. And I definitely recommend you get ShopSavvy in the App Store.